The Pathways to Knowledge model of information processing identifies 6 stages that students go through when learning to process information. They are appreciation, pre-search, search, interpretation, communication, and evaluation. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. In order to stimulate the students' interest in the topic, the teacher has them recite the poem Giant Dinosaurs by Erna Rowe. The students can stand up and act out the poem in order to help them imagine some of the characteristics of dinosaurs. This warm-up activity incorporates the appreciation stage of information processing.
Sarah, would you go turn the poem on the tape recorder? And everybody stand up behind your chairs and go ahead and feel free to act it out as we read through it. And I want you to look for describing words. Chase, when we do it, look for words that describe. Are you ready, Sarah? Okay. Here we go. Did you push it? Push down on it. There you go.
Giant dinosaurs.
Okay, here we go.
To spark the students' imaginations, the teacher reads them the fiction book What Happened to Patrick's Dinosaurs by Carol Carrick. As students listen to and enjoy the book, they demonstrate the appreciation stage of information processing.
9 little dinosaurs riding on a bike. Stegosaurus crashed and smashed his spike. The policeman yelled from atop his trike, "No more nut brains riding on a bike." 8 little dinosaurs mulching on a moose. Tyrannosaurus chomped and broke his tooth.
As the students work in groups to classify dinosaurs, they demonstrate the interpretation stage of information processing. Each group uses its knowledge of dinosaur features to develop a pattern of classification. They use a Venn diagram to illustrate their rationale.
It has a tail, it stands on its back 2 legs. Does that one stand on its back 2 legs? No. So if you did it by that, you could have a group, one that stood on its back legs and one that did not. Could you do that?
Yeah.
Or you could have dinosaurs that did both.
But a lot of the ones that we have stand on their back legs.
Okay, well you guys decide how you want to sort them. That'd probably be a good way to do it.
The students brainstorm resources they could use to find information about dinosaurs. They exhibit the pre-search stage of information processing as they begin to explore general sources of information and define their information needs.
Do we know everything we need to know about dinosaurs?
No.
Where can we find out more? Dylan?
Dictionary books and the internet.
Okay, we can find out more a lot of different places. The dictionaries, some, a little bit. Encyclopedia. Sarah, why don't you go get the D encyclopedia and we'll see how much it has. Dylan mentioned the internet. What else can we do for information about dinosaurs? Matt?
You could go to a scientist.
We could go to a scientist that knows a lot about those. Would you gather those up, David? Jonathan, where else could we go?
The class also evaluates the appropriateness of different resources for finding information about dinosaurs. This demonstrates the search stage of information processing. They decide that the information they find in the D encyclopedia is not complete enough and that they need to seek other sources of information.
Look at our encyclopedia. Now, is this everything I would ever want to know about dinosaurs? Does it have every kind of dinosaur in here? No, you remember how big this book would have to be if it had every piece of information in it?
To find more complete information about dinosaurs, the students search the World Wide Web. As they explore the internet for the information they want, the students enter the search stage of information processing.
Okay, now we have news, types of dinosaurs, and then we have different ones that are specifically that we can look at. Okay, anybody have a choice as to what they want to look at? We have Zoom dinosaurs, we have Dinorama, dinosaurs. There's a site with illustrations. This one's types of dinosaurs. Sarah, come on up. Tap on the one that you want.
The students incorporate pictures and descriptions of all the activities in the lesson into a PowerPoint presentation.
Some dinosaurs are very large. Dylan's drawing. It would take over 1,000 of me to weigh as much as a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Can you believe that some dinosaurs were over 100 feet long? It is fun to read about all kinds of dinosaurs. We like to do research on the computer.
They will present their knowledge of dinosaurs to their peers. This exemplifies the communication stage of information processing. As students preview their PowerPoint presentation, they identify and correct an error.
Dylan, I'll hit escape. It'll take us back. Did anyone catch the mistake? We talked about it this morning. Sarah, what do you think it was?
Omnivore eats plants.
An omnivore. That's right.
And you said that no dinosaur ate plants.
That's right. Okay, let's see if we can find that.
As they assess their end product, the students demonstrate the evaluation stage of information processing.